Google Israel, founded in 2005, has grown rapidly into a world-leading R&D center and business operation with about 500 employees. In June 2013, Google acquired Waze for about $1 billion and continues to expand its operation in Israel. As part of its unique vision and methodology, Google invests in a wide variety of initiatives dedicated to the promotion of innovation and excellence within the community, including Campus Tel Aviv, Innovate Israel, Mind the Gap and Mentor IT projects, and Businesses in Israel Grow Online. Google also continually contributes to the social advancement of Israel through NGO grants, technological education for teachers programs, cultural initiatives such as bringing online the Yad Vashem archive and ancient Dead Sea Scrolls, and technology-focused Arab-Jewish cooperation programs such as Hangout Bridges. In deep appreciation of its continuous commitment, involvement, and forward vision, the 2014 Israel-America Chamber of Commerce Award for Investment in Israel with a View to the Future is presented to Google Israel.